Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Kindle Paperwhite. First, ensure your device is fully charged. This usually takes about 2 to 3 hours for a complete charge from empty. Once charged, press and hold the power button, typically located on the bottom edge, for approximately 2 seconds until the screen illuminates. Then, you'll be prompted to select your desired language from a comprehensive list, ensuring a comfortable reading experience right from the start. Next, connect your Kindle Paperwhite to a stable Wi-Fi network. The device will scan for available networks. Simply select yours and enter the password. After connecting, you'll need to register your Kindle to your Amazon account. Enter your Amazon email address and password. If you're new to Amazon, don't worry, you can easily create a new account right there on the device, taking just a few minutes to complete. Now it's time to personalize your reading experience. Navigate to the settings menu to adjust the screen brightness. You can also choose your preferred font style and size from a wide selection, ensuring optimal readability. Experiment with line spacing and margins to find what feels most comfortable for your eyes. If the Kindle is for a younger reader, consider setting up parental controls to manage content access and purchasing options, providing peace of mind. Finally, let's get some books onto your new Kindle. Head to the Kindle store, where you can browse millions of titles. Use the search bar to quickly find your favorite authors or specific books. Don't forget to check out services like Kindle Unlimited or Prime Reading, which offer access to thousands of books for a monthly fee or as part of your Prime membership. Remember to regularly update your device's software for optimal performance and new features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.